Hi, I'm Billy Bohn, and I'm here to talk about Bird Begon's Bird Spider 360. Ensure mounting surface is clean of bird feces and debris before installing any bird deterrent. Select the appropriate Bird Spider 360, 2, 4, 6, or 8 foot, depending on the surface of coverage. It is important that the tips of the wire arms extend several inches over the outside surfaces. Stainless steel arms must have room to rotate and swivel freely with the air. Do not mount Bird Spider 360s in an area where the arms will be suppressed from movement or blocked by walls. Bird Spider arms should be no more than 2 to 3 inches above the mounting surface. If installing more than one Bird Spider 360 in a row, ensure that they are installed 6 to 8 inches from arm tip to arm tip, not base to base. When screwing the unit down permanently, use 3 self-tapping screws. The included PVC square is not needed when screwing the unit down. If the Bird Spider 360 requires gluing for the installation, the PVC base must be affixed prior to gluing the unit down. To attach the square PVC base, firmly press the PVC square to the bottom of the Bird Spider unit. This will compress the thin foam layer at the bottom of the Bird Spider, allowing the 3 screws to secure the PVC square base. Do not glue the bottom of the base unit without installing the PVC base. Optional bases like a sandbag base and a railing mount allow the spiders to be secured in other areas and be removed easily. Ideal for canvases or uneven surfaces, the sandbag base weighs the Bird Spider 360 down and is easy to store away and reuse. Attach the Bird Spider 360 circular base directly on top of the sandbag base plate with the screws supplied. The square PVC attachment is not needed when using the sandbag base. Although the sandbag base is weighted, it should always be secured to the boat using the side loops located on each side of the sandbag base. Attach the Bird Spider 360 circular base directly to the boat base with the screws supplied. Each of the 4 corners of the Bird Spider boat base has a hole. This makes it easy to bungee or tie down the base to a canopy top or cover. It also allows for easy removal, which is ideal in a boat setting like this. Use the railing mount to secure the Bird Spider 360 to boat rails, pole fences, and other railing areas. The Bird Begon railing mount easily secures to railing sizes up to 1 7/8 inch thick and can be easily removed and stowed while sailing or cruising. For more information about Bird Begon products, please visit birdbegon.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bird control videos.